I'll be giving the solutions to quiz 1 using this video because I do not want to spend class time on it. So the quiz 1 happened on Jan 7th. It was an unannounced quiz. It can be found at So it can be found at this URL, but you can always go to my website, which is this. You can always go to my website and follow the course link, and on the course homepage you can find the link to quiz 1. So the first question was, what is a communication network? So the communication network, this question I was not too picky about the answers. So the answer, of course, is a communication network. It's a collection communication systems and the communication links which connect them. In the notes, of course, we defined what a communication system was and what a communication link was. If you want to be very precise, you would have to first define these two terms, a communication system and a communication link, before you define a communication network. But this is good enough, and most of you got it right. But there were a few answers which were which were very far off. One person said that a communication network is a graph with nodes which represent the communication systems, and vertices with the nodes representing the communication systems and the edges representing the communication links. That is not correct. So a graph is used to represent a communication network. It is not the communication network. And somebody else said the communication network is a study of communication. That is the name of this course, but communication network is not any study. It is a collection of communication systems and links. Okay, so I was not too picky about this question, and in this course you don't need to remember such definitions. It is just to make you read the notes. That was the first question. So the second question was, a communication network has 4 nodes A, B, C and D. A is connected to B and C, B is connected to A and C is connected to A, B and D. All connections are bidirectional. Draw the graph of this network. So when I say that a communication network has 4 nodes, then immediately, second question. So you would put A, the 4 nodes, just draw the 4 nodes in whatever order. Then I said A is connected to B and C, and the connections are bidirectional. So I would just A is connected to B, and its A is connected to C, and B is connected to A and C. So B is connected to A already. It's a bidirectional link, so you don't need to put the arrows like I mentioned in class. And you put the C there, and C is connected to A, B and D. So C is already connected to A and B, and then you connect to D. And that's it. There is no other requirement. So you come up with this graph, and almost everybody do this graph correctly. So that's